What's my name? Do I get a cool name?
Everybody's down here today painting this blue Chevy pickup. We got Wyatt here doing Bondo work. I'm doing all the other work.
All right, and there's the intro to your video right there. We're on this job here today, working on the GMC. Go figure, things are always breaking down.
This didn't break down, it hit a deer.
Hit a deer, broke down. Look at it, the whole front end. Where's it? We'll get drop some pictures in here. All crinkled up. New fender, flew right out of the back of the truck, destroyed. So now we're fixing the new fender. Gonna be painting this one up real nice. What color are we painting it, Buddy Dan?
Not blue.
This is Buddy Dan, if you guys don't know.
I've been in your videos before.
Well,
I haven't.
that's his friend Wyatt. So yeah, we're gonna sand this thing down and repaint it. You circle all the spots that are goofed up. There's the GMC emblem, I'd circle that. That's a problem. Oh, that one looks a little funny. But yeah, they're sanding her down. We're gonna get her all painted up. Got a new hood going on. Got a little smashed. But all right, let's get after it. Now Wyatt knows a good bump when he sees one. So he's sanding this thing up real nice. Alright, so we're back after it again. DeWalt must be dying. Did a bunch of body work to this thing over the last couple days, got it masked off. This is spread stuff. Where'd it go? Oh, here, this one here. We ended up doing the body work with the Bondo, and then we ended up getting this glazing and spot putty. And we've been messing around with that for a day or so. Just trying to get to the ripples out of this. This panel here was cut. They cut out the bottom and replaced it because it's all rotted. And right where the weld was wavy. So that's a lot smoother now. Waiting for that to dry enough we can sand it. Back here on this bed there was a big crease. So we bonded that back together and then we got the spot filler on it. It's pretty smooth now, a lot better than it was. This is our test hood that we're going to use for dialing the gun in. It's got to be cleaned. A little more spots. I mean, it's this body putty stuff is really nice for these little tiny spots you can't really see right now, obviously. But and you couldn't even see it. You could feel this, but you couldn't see it. And you wipe that over it and sand it down, and it, you know, it fills it in real nice. So hopefully we'll be priming this afternoon. He wants color matched mirrors, so we're going to color match those. We also had some problems with our heater. Got this little lift here. Had heat problems with the heater. We didn't have heat in here for like 3 days, but now we're all restored. Time-lapse camera. I'm going to show you what we're painting with. This is our paint mixing station here. Select Seal, a nascent product. Apparently you're supposed to be able to paint this right over top of clear coat. paint and activator. We messed this up. We were supposed to get base coat, clear coat, but
You messed it up.
Doofus over there.
messed it up.
Doofus over there said, yeah, this is what I want. And we ended up with acrylic enamel, but we think it's going to come out okay. A little baby quart of full base reducer. All Mason products, good stuff. And what was the other thing we had? This is it right here. Full base reducer, no. Final clean. Wiping on the surface and getting finalized for the before we start priming. Something to clean it up. And we're just using I don't know what brand gun this is. This is my gun. That's his gun. But I got my Harbor Freight gun here, which I like. It's pretty comfortable and it sprays pretty well. So we'll see.